Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host, the most famous YouTuber in the world that no one has ever heard of. Okay, welcome back everybody. We have some parts that have come in. The car hasn't come in yet, but the parts have. And I just wanted to go over them a little bit. And mainly show the condition. So I'm slightly astounded that this arrived with what looks like a booger weld. We got some weird action going on here. We got somebody smoothed off something there. I can't believe the manufacturer, who was actually a friend of mine, can't believe that he would send this out in this condition. I mean, the bottom's all beat up too. This digs here. That, I can feel that with my finger. Can you hear it? Hold on. That one I can't feel, but this one, there's gouges in it. It's a pock mark there. But I'm really surprised that it was sent out in this condition. But it is what it is. This is an 8-to-1 Model T head. So that is super cool. We have a set of spark plugs to go with the head. So that's alright. The top's unscrewed, so we're good there. This head gasket, man, it is fall and it is sniffle season apparently. I don't know if that's coming through or not, but that was bent up visibly damaged. That's just the way they made it. But this part right here is definitely bent. I've never had anything come in like this before. All mangled. We got little brass. That's new. Those are new. It's interesting. We got it. We'll try it. Then the part I'm most excited about. Well, I'm pretty excited about the head. I haven't tried one yet. It is right here in my hand. We have, you'll never guess, we have projector style LED light bulb that works on 6 volts. 612, I'm told it doesn't care. So that is very exciting. Okay, so now we just need to wait for the car to arrive. We can start putting this stuff on. I don't know. Maybe we got a fluke here. I hope, because it's not pretty. I mean, it will be when I'm done with it, but it's not pretty right now. And you can probably see right here, this is bent up a little bit. This is bent up a lot. Alright, well, now we wait for the car. Alright, one of the things that we're going to be doing to this car is replacing the headlights. So I have these, which are really, really cool. But I want to get a before and an after. This one appears to be aimed inboard a little bit. Check out these lenses. So let's turn the lights off. And we'll get it before on the headlights. Okay, here's your before on the headlights. That is either low or high, I can't remember.
Oh my goodness. Yep, that's a low all right.
So here's the headlights. And those are the new ones that I put in.
Well, how long ago is new?
A couple years. So there's the before, and I put a little phone charger in there as well. You see it glowing down under. Alright, the other thing we're going to do is we're going to change the head. So we're going to take this head off, and we're going to put a new one on it. And that ought to be fun. And we'll take you along for that journey as well. We're going to be putting this bad boy on after I clean it up. This thing is a mess. That's terrible. Bent head gasket. Oh well. Alright, we've got lots of work to do.